Come on in, come on in, come on in. Hey guys, my name is Roslyn from Roslyn Journey Through Crafting. Guys, I have 2 Dollar Tree DIYs I want to show you today. It's going to be quick, it's going to be easy, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do before we do it. We're going to make, oh my goodness, look at these hairs. Look at these here. We're going to take some napkin holders from Dollar Tree, and we're going to turn it into these. Isn't this cute? You know the holidays are coming. You guys want your table to look absolutely fabulous? Then you got to stick around for this project here. And our second project is going to be right here in front of you. Quick, easy. It's going to be cute. All you're going to need is some tissue paper or contact paper or some decorative recycled paper. This is the one here I like, and I will be hanging this in my bathroom. So you know what, guys, before we get started here, I would really appreciate it if you guys hit the like and subscribe button if you're new here, and if you're not new here, just hit the subscribe button and give me a little comment. Tell me what you like and what you don't like. So let's get this party started. So the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need one of these picture frames, one of the small picture frames from Dollar Tree. And all I'm going to do, and this here is what we're going to make, guys. And I really, really like this. I think this is cute. Just check that out. Like I said, you can just use about anything. Any type of Dollar Tree birthday bags, Christmas bags, New Year bags, anything that you want to use in it. The contact paper. Yeah, so you can just do it up. But we're going to use recycled paper here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a frame apart, because we're not going to use this here. And I'm going to take the back pieces, push them up, just like that. We're not going to need that for now, so we're going to set that over there. I'm going to put that over there. And all we're going to do now, as I cut out my picture in advance. So all I'm going to do is place it on my card where I want it, what I want to be seen, and that's how I think I want that to be. So I'm going to take my card. Just going to put a little bit of glue. Just like this. And like I said, this project here is easy peasy. It's not going to take much time. And all I'm going to do is tuck in my ends. You can really cut it if you want. But I'm just going to glue it down. Just like that. And just like that, this part of the project is literally finished. Now all we have to do is put it back just like this. Put it back in the frame. And this frame here it didn't come with the glass, so that's what make it even you know, more special. You don't really need a glass for this. You just turn this up just like that. Boom. We are technically finished. So we're going to just decorate the front. And again, you could take this and put anything you want. Any type of bag, just like that. Look at that. Isn't that cool? But I'm going a little further. And I'm going to take some of this bling right here. And I'm just going to put a little bit bling around the picture frame just to bring it out a little bit. It's just me and the fam. 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 Yeah, yeah. It's just me and the fam.
hit the floor. Make it rain, make it pour. I count money when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the floor. Make it rain, make it pour. In my house, don't need no tour. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the. It's just me and the fam. Yeah, yeah. It's just me and the fam. See my little Tay-Tay, that's my hype girl, that's my mascot. Little ones go for hours and some hours till we pass out. Stay inside the house, turned up with them racks out. Stay inside the house, turned up with the racks out. Wow. If I got it, they got it. Fairly strong, they solid. For them empty my pockets. If I got it, we got it. Foundation been solid. Taking off like a rocket. Yeah. I count money when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the floor. Make it rain. Make it pour.
I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna put a little bit of glue because I see this one is not holding. Guess because I touched it. Just like that, our project is finished. And now all you have to do is hang it in your bathroom. That's all you have to do, hang it wherever you want it at.
But we don't do that. I count money.
This over here. And I think that's very cute. So we're going to do the next one. So what I did was I cut out my ribbon already from this spool here. This spool here was bought from, this spool of ribbon was bought from Michael's, and it was $9.99, and I got it for maybe $3 or $4. So I have this one and a bigger one. Next time we're going to do the bigger one. So what I did was I measured it out where I want it, and as you can see, it's a little too big, right? You can see it from here. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to tuck. I'll show you better than I could say. I'm going to do a little tucking, just like this. Put my glue down and tuck it over, just so it can fit on the napkin ring. So we're going to continue all the way down, just like that. And we're going to also do the other side, because if I put it on now, it's still going to be too wide. Just like so. And guys, guess what? This project is finished. Just like that. Now, isn't that, look at that. Isn't this pretty? Look at that. Now that we're going to wrap around the napkin holder. The napkin ring. I'll take some glue to get me started. Just like that. And just go all the way around. Just like that. It's pretty. And guys, you can continue to decorate. You can add some snowflakes, some more snowflakes. This can just go on for days. This is such a cute project to do. Again, the holidays are coming, and you can make these for all occasions. Thanksgiving, Christmas, Halloween. Just go all the way out. I believe Dollar Tree has their Halloween decor out. You could do this and with your Halloween decor. Just like that. Now, isn't this cool? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go get a napkin. And we're just going to wrap it just like that. I'm going to show you. I did some prior to doing this project. So you can fold your napkins any kind of way you want. I'm not good at folding napkins, but I love the way they look on the table. So I'm going to do mine like this. Some of them are going to be different sizes. And all I do is twist it a little bit more and just put my ring on just like that. There's a lot of different ways to use your napkins with these, but isn't this cool? Just did earlier. So we have that one, and then we have these here. And if you're having company, you can do as many as you like. People really like seeing things like this, you know, around the holidays, especially when your table is all dressed up. You could get a red truck picture and put it in the background, and that will be fabulous. So guys, if you like this video, you got to give me a thumbs up. This is such a cute and quick project. You could do this with your kids and just have fun. So guys, my name is Rosalind from Rosalind Journey Through Craft, and I thank you so much for joining me tonight, and have a good evening. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the. It's just me and the fam. Yeah, yeah. It's just me and the fam. See my little Tay, that's my girl, that's my mascot. No one's go for hours and some hours till we pass out. Stay inside the house, turned up with the racks out. Stay inside the house, turned up with the racks out. Wow. If I got it, they got it. Fairly strong, they solid. For them empty my pockets. If I got it, we got it. Foundation been solid. Taking off like a rocket. Yeah. I count money when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the floor. Make it rain, make it pour. In my house, don't need no tour. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam.